We have traced the history of Somnath from 1027, when it is first attacked by Mahmud Ghaznavi, to 1701, when it is finally converted into a mosque by Aurangzeb. Then something very interesting happens 70 years later, that is in 1783. What happens in 1783? There is this Maratha queen, Ahalya Bai Holkar, who has done so much for the preservation of Indian culture, Indian civilization. And in 1783, she builds a temple at Somnath. What is interesting about that temple? By 1783, the Mughal Empire was in deep decline and the colonial forces had entered India, the East India companies or various companies. The Marathas had become an important power. But in 1783, when she builds the Somnath temple, it is surprising that she does not build the Garbhagriha on the level of the temple. So the Garbhagriha is built under the temple, which means that even in 1783, the fear of iconoclasm was so great that she takes the precaution that the ling is placed underground so that it cannot be suddenly attacked.